Hello and welcome everyone on my channel Silver Coin Stacker, and on today's video, which is gonna be quite special one with the special guest, which gonna be Chloe, my daughter, and her birthday presents. She decides to increase some collection of her coins and the bars, and we got few bits and bobs front of us, and she's gonna be helping me out today to showcase. Is it correct, Chloe?
Yes.
Cool. So you're in charge. Which one is gonna be the first one for today?
This one.
This one. Okay. I'm gonna take them ones on the side for now. Invoice. We're gonna take the invoice away. Yeah, come on, Chloe. It comes from Atkinson's. Let me help you out just a bit. We'll open it. Yeah, they're yours. Come on, carry on. So, what do we got in here? We got 2 gold bars, yes. From, when they coming from? The Royal Mint.
One in green.
With Britannia design. Yes.
Yes.
They 1 gram each. We can put it a bit closer for the camera. So everyone can see it. Chloe was choosing the bars. She decides she wants to go with Britannia ones, yeah? She's like daddy, yeah? She likes Britannia. All right. So, question for you is, which one is gonna be the next one? This one. This one is from the daddy for your birthday. So, if you don't mind, maybe we start with the small one and then we leave this one on the end. Yeah? Yeah? You fine with that?
Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah, I am.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, hold it. Take the packages. So, what do we got in here?
We got
Another bar,
another bar.
1 gram.
1 brown. 20, 25.
Year of
Yes.
snake. Super. Do you like the design?
Yes.
Now they release another one with the horse,
Yes.
and I got the feelings it will definitely gonna be added to your basket. What do you reckon?
Yes.
Okay, so we can show for everyone. You happy so far with your present?
Yes.
That's good. And then we got another one. Polish brand.
You got my landless.
Yes, exactly. They come from Poland. Germania mint.
Oh, yeah, got my.
I'm guessing you're quite excited for the last one, eh?
Yeah, I
know.
am.
I know. So, you know what? Come on.
Yes.
Give me your hand. Careful. Careful. Don't worry.
Okay.
It should be fine. Okay.
Okay.
Which side? Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah,
So you're not gonna hurt yourself, yeah? Yeah, it goes quite easy. Yeah, and the second invoice. Let me take care of the invoice. Yep, cool. So now, excited. Oh, careful for the camera. So, 3,
2, 1,
1.
0.
Come on. Is that everything? Yeah, I believe so. Maybe we have a look what we got in here.
Yes.
More than just metals, yeah? What does it say? A great choice.
Great choice.
Thank you for ordering it from Atkinson's.
First.
You're gonna put it over there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me give you a hand. That's what we like. They definitely secure the
And
packages.
it goes so hard.
Yeah, it is a bit hard, but that's
Yeah.
what you want. You don't want nothing to get damaged on the transit, yeah?
Yeah. That's
So
bad.
you just want to make sure everything gonna come
Yeah.
nice and secure
Nice
to
and
Chloe,
good.
yeah? So she can enjoy.
Yeah.
Oh, of course. Yep. So what do we got? Yeah?
We got-
You need to put your hands in here a little bit more. So happy birthday, my little princess.
Thank you.
Happy?
Happy.
Britannia as well. But this one is slightly bigger than the other ones.
Yes.
Let me take the packages. In a second, we're gonna put it in the capsule so we can have a look.
Look at that.
Yeah, well, we're gonna open this one, please.
Yeah.
You definitely know what is good, right?
Yeah.
Put it in here. You see the camera?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, now it's that way. So it's another Britannia.
Not a big China.
So what we need to do is, I show you later,
Yeah.
on the stackerssocial,
Yeah.
we got the gentleman
Yeah.
called Nerd. Yeah. He do it the customized boxes.
Yeah.
So we might ask him to do the special box with Chloe logo.
Yeah.
Yeah. We spoke today about it, yeah?
Yeah.
With the limited edition pocket chip and everything, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it might come soon. Who knows? Who knows?
Yeah. Who has?
Yeah.
No.
And maybe we design special box for all your bars.
Yeah.
So you can put them, all of them inside.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's something which we need to think of.
Yeah.
So now,
Nice.
I gonna do it, just a second. I'm gonna put inside,
Can I pull it?
I'm gonna do it for you, just a second. Because I know,
How to do it?
yes, it's not that easy.
That look easy.
You see?
Yeah.
It's not that simple.
That's not that hard.
I'm gonna do it. Just a second.
Okay, and then I do
Yes,
it.
of course. Wait. Oh. Yeah. It's all yours. You get the camera in here. Grab with 2 fingers. Yeah. No. You need to grab in here so everyone can see it. What we're gonna do, careful, we're gonna put a bit closer. Oh, you see? It's King Charles.
Really? I didn't know.
Yeah. £100.
Wow.
And on the back,
Yeah.
it's 2026.
Wow.
1 ounce, 9999 fine gold.
What?
Mm-hmm.
I am so...
Happy?
Yes.
That's good. So on the next birthday,
Do that again.
yeah, I got the feeling it's gonna be 2027 then, yeah?
Yeah.
But maybe we'll go for something smaller than that.
Yeah, maybe like this.
Or maybe something bigger.
Ooh, maybe.
Who knows?
Who knows like that?
So, thank you very much for your patience and everything for today's video. It was slightly different than the other ones.
Yeah.
But I was got my help from my princess. So Chloe might join me with some unboxing on the future. Who knows? Yeah, she's a bit shy now, but it's just a matter of time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So thank you very much for watching. It was nice, yeah,
Nice to
be with you guys. And see you soon.
See you
Bye-bye.
soon. Bye bye.